Prom 2018 is going to be Saturday, May 12th, 2018, from 8 to 12 in the evening at the Grand Ballroom Hilton Center City.
Prom tickets. There's a limited number of tickets, so do not wait until the last minute. Prom tickets will be $60 a person, and tickets are exclusively sold online. Tickets will be sold until Friday, May 4th, 2018. If you have any outstanding financial obligations or you are on the 365 list, you will be unable to attend prom. Each junior or senior may purchase one ticket in addition to their own, and all guests must be 21 years old or younger. Entrance to the prom. There will be a parking lot at the Hilton area. Parking costs will vary. If you're able to park in any event, costs are very expensive. You must enter via the escalators, and there is no entrance to the other door. You must have a ticket to enter prom, and it will look like a visitor card. And you must have a photo of your guest, their date of birth. You must be dressed appropriately.
Prom photos. All photos, regardless of the medium, are expected to comply with common rules/regards for decency, appropriateness, and fun. Please enjoy the event and make memories in the form of photos. Carolina Photography, our yearbook company, will set up to take formal pictures at the prom. A price list for formal pictures may be picked up in the main office. We have also rented a photo booth for the prom. There will be themed props for you to be used in the photo booth. You'll get 2 to 3 photos depending on the shape and size for free. The photo booth is rented as a courtesy through our DJ.
Rules for prom. The prom is a school-sponsored event, and all Mallard Creek High School and CMS rules still apply. Alcohol and drugs at prom. No alcohol or drugs will be tolerated. Tranquilizers will be on site. CMPD officers and school resource officers will monitor students. All violations of substance abuse will warrant school disciplinary and/or CMPD consequences. Students found to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol will be denied entry to the prom, and their parents will be contacted. Possible disciplinary action will follow.
Dress code. You'll be denied entrance to the prom if your attire is determined to be inappropriate by on-site chaperones. Be classy. Ladies, in the back, dresses should not be lower than your natural waistline. There should be no dresses with a V neckline to the navel. No two-piece dresses with an open midriff or more than 1 to 2 inches of the stomach/midriff showing. Additional midriff portions may not show even with mesh/lace in the dress. No slit should be higher than the mid-thigh, and all short dresses must be at least fingertip length. For gentlemen, you're required to wear a tuxedo, suit, or nice sports coat, slacks, and a tie. No sneakers or t-shirts will be allowed.
DJ playlist suggestions. Students must students can submit songs to be considered for the playlist for the evening. Please note that all music is subject to screening and approval by ATG, our DJ. Not all requests are able to be honored. Go to the following website and follow the directions below in order to make a request. You can